Okay, in today's video, we're going to work on setting up an item inside of a Square online storefront. So to begin with, I'm currently logged into the Square website on a dashboard for the front page. To begin, so we'll go ahead and click online, and we'll wait forever for it to load. All right, now the online portion of our Square online website is open. We're going to go ahead and click on Items and choose Site Items. We're going to create a new item. In this case, it's a physical item. You would change this if you're going to do something digital, like a digital download or tickets. But in this case, it's a physical item. And we're going to call this Solar Eclipse Sunglasses, or Solar Eclipse Glasses. We'll give it a price. And a nice description. I'm going to pull a description in from notepad that I put together earlier. And for right now, I'm going to make the visibility hidden. I'm not going to worry about any scheduled update items. We are giving people the option to have this shipped or to pick up with an existing order. I'm not going to worry about the shipping weight. And there's no prep time and no pre-order on this. Taxes do apply. In this particular case, I'm not going to worry about keeping track of inventory, but this is where you would start that process. And we're going to add a variation to this because we're going to give people the option to buy one pair for $2 or 3 pair for $5. So let's go ahead and click on Add Manage Variations. And we'll change this to 1 pair of glasses. And then we'll add a variation, 3 pairs of glasses, and hit done. And you can see here we've got the price of $2 for 1, or 5 for 3. And I'm going to add this to a category. I've already got some categories for Solar Eclipse merchandise, so we're just going to choose Eclipse merchandise and save that. I'm not going to put any search engine optimization in here right now, but you could plug this in if you wanted to. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I need to add some images here. So let me import those images. Grab our images, and we'll drop them in here. Got a little typo I see from Grammarly, so let's check that out. It's a semantics. I do recommend using something like Grammarly to check everything, because you certainly don't want something to be going up on your website with typos or bad grammar. Go ahead and change this to visibility to visible, and we'll hit save. Now inside of our site items, if we scroll down here and go to page 2, we should see our Solar Eclipse viewing glasses. If we click on that, all right, let's go up here and copy the item link. All right, and we see our photos. Let's check, make sure both photos look good. We see the price ranges from $2 to $5, and if we choose 1 pair of glasses, it'll drop to 2. If we choose 3, it'll drop to 5. We have the option to choose in-store pickup or shipping. And we see our description. Let's go ahead and add to cart, make sure that works. Go ahead and continue to our cart. All right, and everything looks good. We didn't worry about setting up shipping with these sunglasses because they're such a light item that we're just going to include the cost of shipping with them. Once the customers add in their information, the taxes will be calculated as well. So I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions about item setup in Square, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to connect with you and help you out.